Hi everyone, how are you? It must be good. Here we are from State University, student of S1 Accounting Education Program, Faculty Economic in 2020. Before allowing us to introduce ourselves first, we're, we're from the group 10. I'm Muhammad Rian Adiatma, and two of my colleagues is
Widya Batubara and my colleagues.
Julie Anastasia Grosino Haji.
In this video, we want to discuss a project assignment to fulfill one of the business English course assignment, which is about student difficulty in achieving learning English effectivity.
What are difficulties students have in learning English?
The answer is the one same, not confident. This is a difficulty in learning English that often, of course, for everyone who wants to learn English. Why? As you know, there are still many people who often say protection English when their friends speak English in the field. It has a bad impact on people who are learning English. And two, the wrong learning method. You must also report the English learning method, otherwise you will have difficulty learning English. As you all know, the type of learning for a person is different. So try to find a method that makes you comfortable and fast when you learn English. The three, limited time. Do not have enough free time to learn English. Maybe some of you are already work of still in school and you don't have time to study because of the many assignments from your boss of lecture. The fourth, difficult to memorize English vocabulary. Because there is too much English vocabulary, you might get into trouble with it. As is well known, English is a language that has quite a lot of vocabulary, and the increase in new vocabulary every day is also not bad. Tips for learning vocabulary quickly. The A, make a vocabulary list and post it in every word of your house. The B, study together with friends who are already proficient in learning English. The C, ask the internet to search for vocabulary and their translation. The last, take an English course program. Many people complain about this too, but what are their effort? Are they just complain? Are they just complex and waiting for time? No, most of them take course is in English dialects, and as a result, they can be good at English in short time. Many of them even become tour guides. The five, do not have the study partner. If he has happened to you, there are other methods that can be a solution. For example, you can study on your own and practice what you have got in front of the mirror. Sound crazy? But the effect is good for exercising the fluency and confidence that you have.
Okay, thank you, Rian and Rida. How do students of come learning difficulties in English?
The answer, number one, creative and comfortable in sport type environment. The first, you have to fix it to improve the learning environment. You have to create a learning environment that is really comfortable and supportive for learning English. Don't let you study in an environment that makes you depressed whether you are studying independently quickly and find a fun learning atmosphere so that learning English will be more fun. Number two, never lazy to memorize the vocabulary. When you have a very minimal English vocabulary, of course you will have difficulty learning English. How you develop in sentence if the vocabulary we have just that right. Number 3, familiarize yourself with English. How to solve the difficulties of learning English? Then you can start from simple things. Change the language setting on your phone or social media to English. Then change reading, music, podcasts, or videos to English. From here, it will be easier for you to get us to English. Not only that, you will also find lots of new vocabulary, phrases in even idiom that can improve your English skill. Number 4, much phrases need. The most important point is that you have to really regularly phrase English every day. What if there are no friends to practice? You can ask them to practice independently or ask social media to find friends to practice.
Okay, thank you, Wida. How to be effective so that students speak English fluently.
Okay, Rian, thank you. This answer is 1. Don't focus too much on grammar and grammar. 2. Start by learning about phrases. 3. The right material is key. 4. Start learning from the word here. 6. Speak English often. 7. Dark tutor strangers. 8. Ask to be corrected. The pronunciation is wrong. Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you for us discuss a project segment, the business English.